So I just bought this Harbor Freight 9-function digital multimeter with audible continuity, whatever that is. That thing right there. And I was like, how am I gonna? It comes with these 2 batteries. Instruction doesn't tell you how to install these. So I've been looking all around. Yeah, I'm like, okay, I found you. But look, this is only for standing, I guess. But there's nothing in there. So check it out. And then I saw this thing here, look. And this thing moves out. It's like flexible. You get this out, you push this out. This blue thing is just the cover. Let me get it out, okay? Hold on. Look, it's coming out. Right? It's all coming out. Got it. So it's here. And look, you got the screws right there. I'm gonna get them out. Now I'm gonna get that thing out. I'm a screwdriver. Let me get these out. As simple as that. I got it. Got them out, look. And I can put the batteries in there. And there you are. And that's if it works, okay?
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, it works now. Right? Now you know how to do it.